إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوث وراها دار.
Welcome everyone. Pairs of Union, your program who invite the most successful story and personality here in UAE. Please today welcome with me with Mr. Anil Singh from company Riddhi City. Welcome Mr. Anil.
Thank you.
Please can you in the beginning introduce yourself for our public?
Thanks. My name is Anil Singh. I am the Chief Executive of Riddhi City Group. And basically we came to all in UAE to start this big business from zero in 2008. I'm basically from the central part of India, from a city called Varanasi, and I did my post graduation in geology. So I'm a qualified geologist and mining professional. I had been working with various Indian government organizations for 17 years and left my job in 2007. We came together and planned to start this mining business from the greenfield stage, and we incorporated the company Riddhi City Crusher and Land Transport in 2008, February 2008. Then initial period was little difficult because it was a greenfield project, and it was planned to take at least 2 years gestation time to clear the land, fix the plants, bring the qualified people. And we started with a small scale. In the license there is a general transport also, so we bought some trucks and we started working as a transporter. Only the thing is that we recasted our investment proposal and we started with the stepwise in the phase wise. We started the first production end of 2010. So we are into the market from 2011 beginning. So all together we are sitting in 2020. So 9 to 10 years of business actively in the operation. The difficult time in 2009 and 10 was the recession time. We managed to have a very calculated approach and expanded our business gradually. In first year of operations we were less than 1 million ton of the production. The current year we are 13 million ton of the production. So over a period of 10 years we expanded 13 times physically. We are 450 number of persons in our team. So with a careful planning, calculative approach and a dedicated involvement in the business and a friendly environment of the business here, that all made possible to expand this activity the way we wanted. Currently we have 3 operations. Riddhi City is a group, and in the group we have 3 companies. Riddhi City is the flagship company. We have a drilling, blasting, pure rock engineering. We have a general trading company. So all together we amalgamated, we expanded into the related business of drilling, blasting, rock engineering, and the quarry operation has been expanded to 2 more quarries. So we have the 3 quarry. Last year we are diversifying to some infra contracting, earth moving, cutting and filling. So based on all this, that's we are at present. Based on my experience, what I need to share with with you is that anybody to excel in the business, my message to anyone is that anybody who is doing the business, first of the thing is that most important that knowing a business is important, but for me you should love the work. Unless it is your passion, you cannot put something excellent. If you are taking any task or job you didn't like, so you cannot do something extraordinary. I like my job, I like this, mining, crushing, logistic and all these things. So my message to all other, young professionals who are, just entering the business, the first message is that choose a line and choose a business to whom you like, to whom you love, which gives you a satisfaction. End of the day, when you are going and sleeping, you are satisfied that yes, I have done something. Second one is that business is an economic activity. The technical person or the skilled person, they should understand the gain and loss of the money. So finance is important. You have to have a very careful financial planning, budgeting. So these are the simple tips anybody has to follow to make the business running something extraordinary. We achieved this by way of employing all these principles in our business. And third is your team. You select the team, you can hire the good professionals, but more important is that how you retain the professional. So retaining the professional is very important. Just to give you the background why we came to UAE, what is the background, what attracted us and how we succeeded. We came with the objective of putting a limestone quarry, a limestone which is high purity limestone for industrial applications. So we have scanned, when we planned that we will go out of India and we will put up a business like this, we scanned all the Southeast Asian countries, particularly the Vietnam, the Thailand and the Malaysia. In Middle East, we have checked the prospects in Oman and UAE. We find that UAE is the most preferred place to do this business. There are two main reasons. One, the policy of the federal and the local government is fantastic, investor friendly, and the single window system. There is no red tapeism. You want to incorporate a company, you want a activity, that is allowed. Means the government policies are so transparent and so friendly, you can do the way you want. Second one, the support of the government in terms of the the cost of the business, the cost of incorporating a company, the support, permissions, licenses, and like bringing the people, the skills you can bring. Any other country you go, there are always restrictions.
Yeah.
You don't get the right people for the job. Here the government policies are very balanced and very supportive. So we choose the UAE as a place because it offered a multi-fold advantage in terms of the policies, in terms of the rules and regulations and legislation. The fact remains the same. The way you want to do the business, you have the options available.
Yeah.
So we incorporated this company, and our experience for last 11 years with particularly the federal and the local Fujairah government. Particularly, I will thanks to the kind leadership and the guidance of the ruler of Fujairah, His Highness Sheikh Hamad, for the a visionary approach in developing the business in Fujairah and supporting the policy. We started with the small operations, and we went to the government n number of times for the expansion permissions, for expanding the activities, some new licenses. We always get in one day, rather than most of the time the government officials. Our nodal department is Fujairah Natural Resource Corporation. It's so friendly. They themselves come and educate us at times. Why don't you do this? Why don't you do that? So particularly the overall government working in Fujairah and the guidance of the ruler of Fujairah, His Highness Sheikh Hamad, is very supportive and very positive for any of the businessmen who want to do the business. I will strongly recommend, and even many of our friends coming, and most of the people are coming. So we always recommend, if you really want to do something positive, if you really want to do some business, the best place is come to Fujairah. Whatever you want to do, you have the single window system, you get all the permission and a positive support from the government.
Yes.
So that's a very positive experience we had till so far. Regarding our future plans, we are expanding. The next step is that we have taken a license last year in 2019. So it is for putting a 2 million ton clinker facility. We still remember, in one day we discussed, we had the, I'm very thankful that whenever there is some requirement like this, His Highness is so kind enough, he always listen, he discussed the thing. We have taken the proposal to the government official. The government official connected and took us to the His Highness. We explained the project, that what you want. In one meeting of less than half an hour, he has given all the permission, and we have a new company, Pure Cement. The Pure Cement is going to put a 2 million ton clinker facility at the limestone quarry where we are sitting now. And because of COVID situation, we are holding the project for 6 months. We have again taken up the project, and it is a 2-year construction process. So we hope to incorporate the new cement plant by 2022. So that is the brief history and story what we are doing here, and at the end I can say it's all happening only because of the hard work of the team and the kind leadership of His Highness Sheikh Hamad. Thanks.
Thank you for you, Mr. Anil Singh. So we are so happy to meet you today as a great example for many people, like a businessman. Thank you so much, Mr.
Thank you. Thanks for that.
Thank you, everyone. See you next week.